Hey folks, today we are just over the Virginia border in West Virginia, and we are gonna hike High Knob to a fire tower up there. Let's do it. Today we are west of Harrisonburg, Virginia. Today's trail is an out and back up to the fire tower. There are a couple of turns, but it's easy to follow if you're paying attention, which unfortunately I was not on my way back. Today we will be following the Yellow Eye blaze. This is a really popular place, and you can tell because it has a huge parking lot. Did I mention that we were back in the George Washington National Forest? It's a warm afternoon here. I'd say it's in the 80s. .77 miles in, 16 minutes. It's decision time. We're gonna go 0.5 miles to High Knob Tower. So we need to stay on the High Knob Trail here because they don't want us walking down this road. Please stay on the trail. Unfortunately, someone can't follow directions. Not seeing who. Coming up to the top. 1 mile, 1.27 miles, 30 minutes. Oops, I totally missed this turn off. I was walking down the road to what I assume is somebody's property. But luckily there's a big ass sign saying "Turn around, dumbass. This ain't the trail." So we're back on track. Jeez, look down for a minute. Somebody was busy here. That's pretty funny. All right, folks, that is High Knob. We were out for 2.88 miles in an hour and 10 minutes or so. Easy trail, great views from the lookout tower. I think it's fantastic. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.